Hello, good day. Welcome to Digital Worlds Academy. Today I'll be teaching you how to bind your Royal bots with Binance. For those who probably had the earlier version of Royal um, kindly go to Google Play Store or iOS App Store to update it to the recent version. Make sure you're using the recent version. Then, having done that, come back to your bot. Go to API binding. So click on it. Now, depending on the exchange you're using, be it Binance or Huobi, it should appear here. Usually, you can only use this to Binance or Huobi. So I'm using Binance, so I want to show you how to link yours to Binance. So click on this arrow here for it to expand. So now here it is. The bot has expanded. So first of all, you need to copy this from your Binance, the API key and the secret key. Those are the first two things you need. So I'll go to Binance. I'll click on my Binance. Make sure you're using the professional version. The professional version of Binance would show you, this kind of, to give you this kind of user interface. If you are not too sure on how to get to this kind of professional version or this kind of interface, click on the profile. When I'm in profile, this avatar sign at the top left corner, click on it. Then make sure the Binance light is off. So once you off it, it will take you to the professional version. So having done that, click on more, which is over here. So once you click on more, go down to API management. So here you are in the API management. You can see I've already linked mine to, but you can link it to more than one bot, but this is just for the sake of tutorial. So let's say I want to link this bot now to my Binance. I'll come here and type on Q Royal Q2 just to be able to differentiate them. Then I'll click on create API. So before I create API, a verification code will be sent. That's both on SMS. I'm using 3 layers of verification: SMS, email, and Google Authenticator. So I have to pause the video and just get the codes and paste them here. If you're using only SMS verification. If you're using email, only an email will be sent. If you're using Google verification, that's Google Authenticator, only that will be sent. But for someone who's using Theory, so 3 of them will be sent. So let me pause the video and just get it. So after pasting it, you click on submit. So it has been created. Now there are some things I need to now copy. So first of all, I'll need to copy my API key. So I would copy my API key and I'll go to the bot here and I would paste that API key. Then the next one I need to do is the secret key. So I'll come back here, copy the secret key. Please, your secret key should be secret. Like, try not to show your secret key to anyone. I know I won't be using this account, so that's why probably I'm confident doing that. So your secret key. Then next will be your verification code, which will be sent to your email. So click on send. The verification code will be sent to your email. All right, but before I even do that, I want to do something else. I'll need to click on this copy here. I would click on copy because I want to copy this IP address. So when I copy this, what I'll simply do is I'll come back to Royal Q. Then I'll click on this edit because I want to edit some settings there. So I'll click on edit. So the first thing I want to edit is here, my margin trading, meaning I want to give the bot permission to be able to trade. These other 4 things, please do not on them. Do not turn them on under any circumstances. The bot does not have access to your withdrawals. It does not have access to withdraw or do any other thing apart from reading the market and trading the market for you. So I want to enable trading. So I've enabled it. Then the second one is, by default, you are saying you want to enable any IP address, meaning any IP address can access your bot. But for security reason, RoyalQ has said no, they have restricted IP addresses. So you need to keep your finances and everything secure. So what this means now is you would need to come here, click on this place, this second option here, restrict my address, IP address. Then you now paste what you have copied before, paste it here, and click on confirm. Beautiful, you can see it now, right? So these are the various IP addresses that can access your OrioQ bot. After doing that, click on save. So if you're using SMS verification or phone verification, you will need to use one to verify that you're the one making this change. So since I'm using Google Authenticator, I'll just go to my Google Authenticator. Let me pause it. So I've pasted it and it's successful, but I'm not done. I have one more step to go. So I haven't pasted my Google Authenticator and it's now successful here. I need to do the last step. And what is the last step? Go back to my bot. So it is now I'm supposed to send this message for them to send me a verification email. So I did that. That was the last one. That's the send, the one I was sent before. I did it at the wrong time. So it's now I'm supposed to click on this now. So I'll click on send. Okay, they said I sent it too frequently. Should be between 180 seconds. That's 2 minutes. So I need to give like 2 minutes time frame before the verification code. Or it's possible the former one would still work though. Let me just pause it and try the former one rather than waiting for. So I've copied the former one I sent. Let me just see if it's gonna work. And I'm going to click on bind. Let me see how that works. Okay, it's bound successfully, meaning it worked. So this is how you can bind your, what's it now, your royal bot to Binance.